guys! Today we are playing not press the button, but my second video. So, we died. So we're just on this level where this obby level. We just got to get to the end. Oh, so we've got my cousin playing, guys. And his name is PO7, yeah? Okay. How much coins have we got? Oh, we've got 340 coins.
Bruh.
Hey! I already died. Guys, his name is PO7XR, yeah? So, right now, go ahead, pause this video, and friend request him. Die! No! I used to be, seriously, I used to be actually so good at this game.
No! God, please, no!
This is his skin, guys. He's got the same top as me now. It's like the second Pixel Peter skin. The Pixel Peter skin too. Make sure to subscribe, everyone. And, yeah, if you subscribe, you are cool. Letter U are cool. Yes! I was the one who got the ball. Mine to find a diamond. I am cooked at this. I always lose on this one. Wait, we didn't do this level in our first Don't Press the Button video, guys, I don't think. "69 seconds left." Is that the diamond? I found the diamond! Yeah! But why was it yellow though? Because diamonds aren't yellow, they're blue. There's not such thing as a yellow diamond.
Knock, knock! Who's
Who's there?
That door!
Knock, knock. Who's there? The dog. Yay! I pressed the button. Did you see what Ivan put? Yazuka. I'm gonna put that. Yazuka. Oh my god! Oh!